Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to minus any number in Excel. So very easily you can minus any number in Excel. So follow some my few steps. So firstly you need to type your number, like I will type 55 minus by 7. Now click on here and type is equal to sign and select this first digit. Now press minus key on your keyboard and select this second one, and now press enter. So you see this, very easily you can minus any number in Excel. You see here the result. So this way you can very easily do it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.